My name is Raja from class P4 LB. Today, I want to show you a tutorial of how to make a croffle. Do you know what is croffle? Croffle is croissant and waffle, a famous snack that everybody likes. Check it out. The materials that we need are croissant dough, white sugar, butter, and waffle cooker. The first step is to prepare the croissant dough. Let it sit in room temperature until the dough is soft and rises. Next, butter the dough and sprinkle sugar on the croissant dough. Now we are ready to cook it. Put the croissant in the waffle cooker. Close it and we wait 2 until 3 minutes. It smells nice. Yum yum.
Yum yum. Yum yum.
And then close it. Now we wait 2 until 3 minutes. Finally, we open the cooker and ta-da!
Ini bilangnya
Kami.
kayaknya. Ini lihat. Jangan kamu paling kasih papanya di jam 3 aja.
Ya.
Ya kan?
Sini.
Ini jam 3 tapi pulangnya jam 2.
Tapi mukanya kurang.
Here is your homemade croffle. Let's try it.
Panas jangan yang ini nih. Nah, nanti bisa bareng-bareng sama makannya. Wow, enak Chang.
It tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.